Hello guys. So if you're looking to integrate Google Calendar with Notion, so if that's the case, you have come to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, for integrating Google Calendars to Notion, firstly what you have to do is just simply go to a browser and open the link given to you in the description box, which is indify.co. So when you come to this particular website, as you can see, so over here you will find a lot of Notion automation panels, as you can see right over here, and from one of those is Google Calendars. Now firstly what you have to do is just simply sign up. So click on sign up after entering an email address, or click on the Google icon over here to sign up. Then just simply sign in with your Google account. Now wait for a few seconds. Then if you want to view tutorial how to integrate automation templates, you can click view tutorial over here, or just simply close it from here. Now what you have to do is just simply scroll down and click on Google Calendars and click on create widgets. Now let's simply name the Google Calendar, let's say demo calendar. Now just simply click on continue. Now wait for a few seconds. Now after that, just simply click on sign in with Google to integrate your Google account calendar. Click on sign in, choose your email address, then scroll down, click on this checkbox and click on continue. Then close the window over here and wait for a few seconds. Now again wait for a few seconds for all of your events to load in. Now after that, just simply readjust the calendar over here like this. Now over here you have few settings. So if you want multiple selection or multiple calendars, click on this box. And then you can add multiple calendars, but for doing that you will need to have a paid plan. So for that, click on upgrade to pro, and over here you will find the paid plan. So you have to pay $4 per month if you want to use it, or $50 annually. Now you can also use this free of cost, but there will be some limitations, like if you month, weeks and days only singular, you will not be able to more than 1 month of data in your calendar, more than 3 months of future data. You will not be able to view times over here. Now if you are okay with all of the limitations, you can use this application. Now if you want, you can adjust some details over here, like use 24-hour time format if you want that, or hide calendar selector over here, this one. Now you can scroll down and you will find more events, show events broader. You can also change the color if you want to, just like that. You can also enable dark mode if you want that as well by clicking on this option. Now in the last setting, if you want customize button, you can also enable that option, but I don't want that. Now after you made all of the changes, now if you want customized buttons, you can enable this option. So I'm going to disable this option. Now I'm going to disable the dark mode as well because I don't like that. Now after that, what you have to do is just simply copy this link over here. Just simply click on this option. Now go to your Notion, then just simply go to a panel where you want to create a calendar. Let's say over here. Now to embed the link, all you have to do is just type in backslash and embed. Click on this embed over here, then paste the link over here and click on embed link. Now wait for a few seconds, and now adjust the size of your calendar. Now you can just simply click on any events that you have planned on your calendar and it will show you right over here, just like that. But you will not be able to create anything from Notion, because if you want to do that, you might have to purchase the paid plan, because in that option you will be able to do it, as you can see right over here. Now let me show you, is the calendar working or not. So let me open my calendars. So as you can see, this is my calendar and this is the calendar in Notion. Now whenever I'm gonna make any event on my calendar, let's say right over here, let's name it movie, then I will add some times, add guest, location, the description, then just simply click on save over here. Now as you can see, this is now added as an event. Now if you go back to your Google Calendar in Notion, you'll find there is nothing right over here as of yet. So in order to update the Notion calendar, what you have to do is just simply restart the application, Notion, and again restart it. Now as you can see, the calendar has been updated. You can do this for the upcoming events as well. So let me show you. So if I drag this to an upcoming event, like on 2nd, then as you can see, it's now rescheduled. As you can see, it's still on 13th. So I will restart the application again, and now as you can see, it is now rescheduled to 3. So after I restarted my Notion, as you can see, the data has been updated. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.